Mark out the area to be installed with a chalk line. Place the flexible floor bunding sections in the required configurations and cut to the correct dimensions. Where a join is required, cut away enough foam to allow PVC to overlap. When installing with an aluminium flat bar, use a marker to indicate the flexible floor bunding concrete masonry fastener drilling points. Leave 25 mm gap from the starting edge before making your first mark. Each subsequent drill point should be marked 315 mm apart along the length of the flexible floor bunding. Ensure the aluminium flat bar is marked to match these drilling points. Lay the flexible floor bunding in place where it will be installed. Using a utility knife, cut a 5 mm opening at the tip of the provided sealant nozzle. Use the sealant on the provided kit and apply it to the underside of the flexible floor bunding, then position it along the chalk line. Apply pressure on the flexible floor bunding to achieve adhesion to the ground surface. Using the markers as a guide, drill through the flat weld seam edges of the flexible floor bunding and into the concrete. Insert the fasteners into the pre-drilled holes of the aluminium flat bar. Align the aluminium flat bar and fasteners with the drilled points on the flat weld seam edges of the flexible floor bunding. To secure the fasteners, hammer them into the concrete. When using the corner pieces, overlap the straight sections of the flexible floor bunding with the provided adhesive sealant. Allow the sealant to cure for 36 hours before walking on or driving over the floor bunding.